Welcome to Tella 7. Here's a math problem that looks scary, but it's actually very simple if you spot the trick. We are given 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x equals 130. Let's begin. This equation can be written as 2 to the power 3 to the power x plus 2 to the power x equals 130. Here, we can apply exponential rule. That is, a to the power m to the power n equals a to the power mn equals a to the power n to the power m. Apply this rule on 2 to the power 3 to the power x. So we have this equation. We have 2 to the power x common here. So let 2 to the power x equals y. Put the value of y into the equation. After putting value, we have y to the power 3 plus y equals 130. Follow the steps on screen. So we know a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Apply this on y squared minus 5 squared into equation. Follow the steps on screen. Now we have got two cases here. Y minus 5 equals 0 is a case 1. Y times y plus 5 plus 26 equals 0 is a case 2. Let's take the first case. Follow steps on screen. We'll apply log here on the both sides of the equation. Follow steps. This is our x value. Now we solve case 2, which is follow steps on screen. Now, we know discriminant formula here. That is, d equals b squared minus 4ac, also known as equals b squared minus 4ac. So how can we apply this to our equation? Here, a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 26, right? Apply these values to the discriminant formula. D equals b squared minus 4ac. Minus 79 less than 0, so we have no solution here. We shall return to the solution 1. X equals log 5 base 2, which means x equals log 5 divided by log 2. Use calculator to determine the values of log 5 and log 2 and put this value in formula and divide. So, x equals 2.232. Now, to verify the value of x, we shall go back to our equation, that is, follow steps on screen. Hence proved, x equals 2.232. Subscribe and like for more math problems, and join my live stream to learn awesome math questions. Thank you.